Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be going over the best 5 free digital marketing tools every small business need in 2022, part 2. There will be no ranking of these tools like my previous videos because they all do different things for you. So now let's get into the video. Now first on our list we have Planoly. Planoly assists you in managing workflows and content on social media platforms. It's a one-stop place for planning and organizing your Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest contents. Clients can manage their automation and customize their editorial calendars and freely alter what they want. Analyzing reports, automated content, saving hashtags, scheduling content, monitoring response, and visualized plan are one of the few features that makes Planoly stand out from other tools. Planoly is an official partner of Instagram and Pinterest, so you don't have to be scared of your data being leaked or your money being scammed off you. Planoly assists in automating IG lives, stories, and other aspects of Instagram. There is a ton of flexibility for structure and content management, even in their free version. Planoly is also a great tool for TikTok influencers. If you post regularly on TikTok, Planoly is an exceptional tool that you want to get your hands on. They also offer a Chrome extension that you can easily schedule your posts from any website when you're using a Chrome or Safari browser. With the personal plan, there's no need for you to pay a dime and you can schedule up to 30 posts per month, so that's much better than some of the rivals like Buffer, Hootsuite, and more. So give Planoly a test run, and now let's move on to the next tool. Next we have Convertkit. Convertkit is regarded as one of the top email marketing platforms among bloggers, content creators, and book authors. I have talked a lot about this tool on this channel, so if you watch my videos, you know I rate this tool very highly. There are some key features that makes Convertkit stand out in the email marketing space, like its easy to use user interface that makes it easier for beginners to learn how to use their tool. Its large library of integrations that makes your workflow from other platforms to Convertkit seems easy. Its subscriber tagging system that helps you personalize your email to each of your subscribers automatically. Its wide array of templates for you to make use of, and its A/B testing abilities and analytical functionalities. If I was to go on with its features, it will probably become a full review on Convertkit because they offer a lot of free tools, especially if you're on a budget. Let me know if you want me to make a review on Convertkit. As you can see, for the free plan, you get a lot of vital things that are important for your email marketing needs, like unlimited landing pages, email newsletters, audience tagging and segmentation. But when you have the fund, I advise for you to go for the paid plan and you can start getting more automated processes in your marketing. Next we have the Hemingwayapp. The Hemingwayapp is a very useful tool that ensures that your thoughts are bold, clear, simple before posting your writing or sending your email. This tool reviews frequent grammatical errors and offers advice on how to fix your writing so that your readers can understand and read more easily. Mistakes are color-coded so you can tell right away if you're overly wordy, inconsistent, or being too docile. For someone like me who's both a blogger and a YouTuber, I use this app for writing my articles and for my YouTube scripts. They offer 2 versions of this editor, and that's a free version and a commercial version. Users can access the first option, the Hemingway editor, online without having to create an account, and the Hemingwayapp, on the other hand, is a premium solution that you can download offline to your PC or your phone. Now, to get started with this tool, you can just input in some text or just copy and paste the text into the Hemingway editor. Now, after you've done this, the Hemingway editor indicates problematic areas in different colors to help you fix them. However, there's no guarantee that this app will provide you with the finest insights, but keep the editor's advice in mind when making your final decision. So give Hemingway editor a try, and if this video is giving you what you wanted after you clicked on it, please do hit that like button and also the subscribe button for more daily content like this. Now let's get back to the video. Now next we have Soolve. Soolve is a tool for finding keywords on the internet that pulls data from varieties of search engines including Google, Bing, Yahoo, Wikipedia. The Soolve UI is extremely user-friendly and can be fully customized by its user. With this adaptive engine, You may store your keyword suggestions for later and use the autocomplete tool to quickly generate keyword ideas. Additionally, the tool offers a simple search bar that makes it simple to identify a suitable term suggestion. By utilizing the right click button on the keyboard, you can move to a new search engine in a flash, and you can easily download your keywords simply by going to the top left hand corner and click on the downward facing arrow for you to download it as a CSV file. And if you're still confused about what to do, go to the top right corner and click on secrets. Right there, all your questions on Soolve will be answered. Next, we have a bonus free tool, and it's called Bertha.ai. Bertha is a free AI-based writing assistant that is trained by hundreds of billions of lines of content that helps you write better content on your website. In just a few clicks, you have a variety of content for your websites that is guaranteed to convert. The only drawback with Bertha is that it works as a plugin for your websites. You can't use it independently like other AI tools I've talked about on this channel. They are recommended by big companies like Elementor, Gutenberg, and WooCommerce. If you have a website, then it's a great tool for you because it offers up to 1,000 free words per month when you just get started. So give Bertha a try, and now let us move on to our final tool. Lastly, we have Photopea. Photopea is a free online image editor designed to import, edit, and export Adobe Photos, GIMP, and Sketch app files. This free online photo editor might easily take the place of popular programs like Photoshop and Sketch. Commercially successful softwares like Photoshop and Sketch are usually favored over tools like Photopea because of their comprehensive sets of features. But that doesn't mean Photopea won't perform as good as Photoshop. If you're a novice user on a small budget, this is right for you. So an advantage for Photopea is that there's no need for you to download or install anything. With the exception of the ad bar on the right hand side, this program runs in a matter of seconds and has a similar interface to Photoshop. Photopea is a free tool, and you can make use of all their picture editing features. And they also have a premium account which costs $9 per month and allows you to utilize the site without being interrupted by ads, and you can view post-production history up to 60 images. So if you're on a tight budget, all these tools I've mentioned will save you a whole lot of money. So let me see in the comment section below what tool fascinates you the most on this list. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and also hit the notification bell for more daily uploads on this channel. Check out the first part of this video, and I'm sure you're going to love what you see in that video. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.